As the penalty phase gets underway in the case of Dzhokhar Tsarnaev, the defense will attempt to convince the jury that Dzhokhar should receive life in prison instead of the death penalty for the 2013 Boston bombings. While the first part of the trial was focused on Dzhokhar and his involvement in the bombings, a large focus in the penalty phase will be on older brother Tamerlan.
They really want to paint this picture of Dzhokhar as this almost diminutive, kind of lost in the wilderness kid, and he's deferential to his older brother. So we've already heard a lot of testimony about how Tamerlan really ran the whole show.
Jim Armstrong from WBZ has been reporting live from inside the courtroom via Twitter and says to attest to Tamerlan's large influence over Dzhokhar, the defense is focusing largely on the Tsarnaev family dynamics.
In Chechen culture and in the Tsarnaev family in specific, sort of the older brother really runs the show when the dad is absent. And in this case, the dad had some mental health issues, some physical health issues, so the father was gone. That really put Tamerlan in charge. So they're going to talk a lot about how the big brother was the one who really controlled Dzhokhar.
The defense has flown Tsarnaev family members in from Russia to speak to Dzhokhar's character and hardships that the family has gone through.
It sounds like they're going to talk about what a hard life he had, what a hard life his family had. During the opening statements, the defense team was talking about how the Tsarnaevs sort of for generations have been this family that's just really been unlucky.
The defense witness list remains under seal, although it has been said that there could be close to 36 witnesses, 8 of which were seen on day 1, though the number is subject to change. Defense attorneys say that sending Dzhokhar to a life in prison means that he would not be able to appeal and he wouldn't gain any media attention. He would also be forced to stay away from his Islamic culture. But the penalty phase isn't predicted to end until May. Reporting from the John Joseph Moakley United States Courthouse for the BU News Service, I'm Keiko Talley.